Those lines would prohibit provisions that prohibit the library from making non-public preservation copies of the electronic literary material. Through you.
Representative Fishbein.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And why would a library, which ostensibly is going to make available to members of the public media material, be permitted to make a non-public preservation copy? Through you, Mr. Speaker.
Representative Blumenthal.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, this is aimed at our research libraries that may have archives, and that is the purpose of this provision. For the vast majority of libraries, it would make no sense, given their operations, for them to utilize this provision. Through you.
Representative Fishbein.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker. But I look at the adjective non-public. Who from the non-public, meaning private, I guess, would be able to avail themselves of this, I would have to say, illegal copy that is not available to the public? Through you, Mr. Speaker.
Representative Blumenthal.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, my understanding is that this term, non-public preservation copies, is one used in the archival librarian world. You may have gone to a library that has a book by Benjamin Franklin that they keep in a special part of the library. There are many libraries that just keep non-public preservation copies of a book for the purpose of preserving that knowledge in perpetuity, not to lend it to anyone, not to let anyone borrow it, but simply to preserve the knowledge for humankind. This is my understanding, one of the functions of libraries with archives. And so this is the purpose at which this provision is aimed. Through you.
Representative Fishbein.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. You know, I appreciate the answer, but quite frankly, with all due respect, it doesn't make sense when one purchases a license to something, they are purchasing the license. A preservation copy is of the same product, and if you lose the one that you bought the license for, you buy another copy. So what this language says is that you can't have a contract provision that protects the right of the license holder, because there would be no need for a non-public preservation copy if nobody's ever going to use it. The only reason why you would do that is so that you use it if you lose the copy that you actually paid for.